Welcome. Now what we will do is get rid of this and create a div with a class called container. If you are using VS Code editor, you can do this. If you type this, what it means is create me a div with a class container. Then as we are using Bootstrap, so we will utilize all its classes. Then we want an h2 with the class text center. We want it to show it as a center aligned element. And another class as margin top, let's say 5, another as margin bottom as 3. So it creates us all the things that we want. Then we will say items overview. Let's go ahead and see if it is reflecting. Perfect. So here we have. Then we'll go and create the card. So Bootstrap provides us the card. So if you are new to Bootstrap, you can go to get Bootstrap, and from here you can go to the documentation. And if let's say you want to look for card, you can just type card. You will get different examples of the card, and here you have the markup, how the card body title works, different styling, everything is mentioned here. So let's go ahead and style our card component. So we will say div dot card. In this we'll have div dot card hyphen header, and then we'll also have, let's say, alt shift down arrow, then we'll have the body. So let's make it as body. In the card header, what we will do is we'll simply go ahead and add a link. So we'll say anchor link, and this anchor link is, we will say, create item. And here, instead of using anchor link, we will use something called as router link. Router link. Anchor link will reload the whole page, which we don't want. Router link will basically do single page navigation type routing. And if this item is clicked, where do we want to take the user to? So we have already created our routing module. So we want to take the user to create component. So we will copy this routing, take it here and paste it right here. And of course, this will now navigate there. So let's check, create, it goes there. It's working fine. Now this is card. So let's style this particular element to look like a button. So we say btn hyphen outline hyphen success. Then we say float right. So we have the create item. And now we will work on the style part of the body, where we will say in the body we'll create a table, and the class will be table and then table bordered. Hit enter. Then we'll have the head. In the head we will have row, and in the row we will have the individual column of the heading. So we'll say title, alt shift down arrow, we'll have description and then action. We'll have description, action. Perfect. And now what we will do is this is the row for the head. What about the body? So let's do T body. And in the T body, what we will do is we will first create a row and we will make this row looped. We will loop through this row because we want this data to be repeated. How do we loop in Angular? So let's look at that in the next video because this video is getting already too long. But before that, let's check how it looks. So this looks like this, decent. Thank you.